Hello, some people told me that having an Instagram account is actually a good thing. And then, after 5 or maybe 10 years, I tried it. I created my own Instagram account and I posted some of my beautiful pictures there just to see what can happen. And believe it or not, after almost 1 month, I have 13 subscribers. Yeah, so I'll repeat it. I have 13 subscribers. So now what's really the benefit of having an Instagram account? Yeah, so what's there for me as a collector? So I take pictures, I show them on Instagram, and then what? What happens? Yeah, I get some likes, but why? Why should I do that? I have no, there is no real, I don't want to say business use because it's not only about business what I do here, but there should be at least some fun. Yeah, but there is almost no fun. So I was looking for some automation. Yeah, so if I do some posting on Facebook, then it's automatically transferred to Instagram, maybe also to some other social media, and there's less work for me. And those of you who are asking me, yeah, those 13 people who are asking me to have an Instagram, they will be satisfied. Yeah, and then everybody, it's a win-win situation. Everybody will be happy. But now, with those such a small number of subscribers, is there really, there is no motivation for me to continue with Instagram. So probably I'll just keep it like it is for a year or two or maybe a decade. Yeah, and after 10 years, I'll review it. And if there is again 15, 17, then okay, 2 more guys, 3 more guys, thank you very much, but I'm not going to use it so much. Yeah. So what I really want to do is to continue with my YouTube, because if I have that many views, then at least there is something tangible, and I'm not doing it just for myself. I can have my own library of videos on my local drive, and then I can play them. Actually, I never play them. Yeah? So when I make a video, I never play it. I don't see it, I don't review it. Yeah, I never do that. Yeah, so I just do it, upload it, and then okay, it's done, it's gone. And then some of you view it, and you see sometimes you write comments like, what did you say there? I'm asking myself, and then I feel stupid, yeah, but that's the way how I do my channel. So YouTube, absolutely okay. I have fun reading the comments, I get some likes, yeah, and that's how it is. I spend 30 minutes, each video is 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, but that's it. But with this Instagram thing, I always hated Instagram so much, and now that's my honest comment. No, I would say my honest feedback to you about Instagram. It's really a bullshit. Yeah. So when I open Instagram, I see videos of people that I don't know, I don't want to see. It's destroying my perception of reality. I never go there. And now if I upload some videos of my models that you see here, yeah, then I again see some people, and some people that I don't want to see. Yeah. So why is it showing me some people on a beach? Why is it showing me some cats? Why is it showing me some, I don't know, it's completely doesn't make any sense. I'm a die-cast car collector. I don't want to see naked people. Yeah, I go somewhere else if I want to see them, not to Instagram. I don't want to see them at all. And that's really, again, another factor which is really demotivating me to go to Instagram. So the only way how I do it is that I go to Facebook admin tools and I post it from there. Yeah? Because if I upload a picture there, I don't see naked people. And that's fine. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. But if I use the application to upload some pictures, a short video, then first I need to open it, and immediately in the feed I see naked people. Why? I never asked for that. Yeah, so that's why I hate Instagram so much. I will continue using it, testing it, but not as a user, because as a user this application is just sucks. It's consuming my time, my energy. It's showing me things that I don't want to see, yeah, because actually I have never subscribed to see some celebrities, what kind of lunch they had. I don't care. Yeah. Why should I care about what kind of food they buy? What kind of dog they have? It's and the same should apply to you. Yeah. So if you are smart, don't watch others people's lives. So I go there only to see some nice diecast models because I like them. But I don't want to care about what they eat, what they drink, what kind of hotel they were at. No. And this is the end of today's video. Yeah? So just a short flash, or I don't know how to call this. I just wanted to tell it to you. Okay.